What if you could earn $325 a day from the comfort of your own home, leveraging one of the world's biggest marketplaces, Amazon? If you're wondering how to turn Amazon into a consistent income stream, you're in the right place. For many, the idea of making money online sounds like a dream, but it's often met with frustration. You might have tried different side hustles, only to feel overwhelmed, stuck, or barely breaking even. The good news? Amazon offers some of the most beginner-friendly opportunities to generate income, and you don't need a huge budget or technical skills to get started. In this video, we'll explore 3 proven methods to make $325 a day on Amazon. The first method is leveraging Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) program. This is perfect for those who want a hands-off approach to selling products. How it works: you send products to Amazon's warehouses, Amazon stores, packages, and ships these products to customers when orders are placed. Step 1. Research profitable products using tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. Look for lightweight, high-demand products with minimal competition. Step 2. Find suppliers on platforms like Alibaba to source your products in bulk at a low cost. Step 3. Ship your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Once your listing is live, Amazon takes care of the rest. Example: imagine selling a kitchen gadget. You purchase it for $5 per unit, list it on Amazon for $25, and let FBA handle fulfillment. Even after Amazon's fees, your profit per sale can be significant. And if managing inventory isn't for you, the next method might be just what you're looking for. The second method is publishing books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP). No, you don't need to be an author or write a novel. How it works: you can create and sell ebooks or low-content books, like journals, planners, or coloring books, directly through Amazon. Step 1. Use tools like BookBolt to identify trends in low-content books or niches that are in demand. Step 2. Design your book's interior and cover using free tools like Canva or paid services like Fiverr. Step 3. Upload your book to KDP, set your price, and earn royalties for every sale. Example: someone might create a simple daily gratitude journal, sell it for $9.99, and earn around $6 per sale. With consistent sales, this method can generate significant passive income over time. But what if you're not into creating products at all? This next method is even simpler. The third method is becoming an Amazon affiliate through the Amazon Associates program. This is ideal if you want to make money without handling any products. How it works: you earn a commission by promoting Amazon products through your unique affiliate link. Step 1. Sign up for Amazon Associates. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Step 2. Choose products within a niche that you're familiar with or that have high demand. Step 3. Share your affiliate links through a blog, social media, YouTube videos, or even email marketing. Example: let's say you create a YouTube video reviewing popular tech gadgets. By including affiliate links to these products in the video's description, you earn a percentage of every sale made through your links. Each of these methods can be scaled over time, but what's key is finding the one that fits your skills and interests best. Now that you've discovered 3 effective ways to make money on Amazon, it's time to take action. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more strategies to grow your income online. See you in the next one.